Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, today we are celebrating our festival, Holi festival, okay, by playing Holi with different colors, so the all the festivals they generally we generally meet our neighbors, our relatives, okay. Why? Because it is a time that every man and woman are busy in their day-to-day life. They have no time, they are busy in their schedule, they have their hectic schedules, so they have no time. But because all these festivals like Holi, Diwali, we generally meet our family members, our relatives, our friends, okay. So all the festivals we should follow, we should enjoy all the festivals. We should not escape us. I don't like to play Holi because their color is very harmful. No, you don't need to take these types of attitude, okay. You need to play Holi with different kind of gulal, and meet your family, meet your family members, meet your neighbors with harmony, okay. Why I am saying this in today video? Because in today video I'm going to give you wonderful method, and I'm going to also give you a story why seeing a picture, because in my comment section there is a question asked by a viewer, and he or she said that ma'am, you have shared a video in a previous video and you have tell how to do picture visualization, how to use this method in order to be fluent in English. But ma'am, you did not tell a method how to start picture visualization method, okay. So in today video I'm going to give you some steps, okay, some steps which you follow, okay, in order to make a story, okay. Why seeing a picture you can easily make a story, but for this you need to listen picture very carefully, okay. So in today video I'm going to discuss with you a method, and the method is that picture visualization. And believe me friend, once you expert in applying this method in order to be fluent in English, believe me friend, your speaking fluency will be increasing, your power of thinking in English will be increasing. You can easily create a story in your mind while seeing a picture. So how, but the problem is that how to do this, how to image, how to create any story by seeing a single picture. So in today's video I'm going to tell you everything. I'm going to tell you the steps which you will follow, okay. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video, okay friends. So let's get into the topic. So friends, in today video you need to just follow some steps to follow a method picture visualization, okay. So here I'm going to give you a picture. You have to see the picture very carefully, okay. So look at this picture, okay. And after seeing a picture, you have a three question. After seeing any picture, what you need to do, you need to create question in your mind. So the question are that, this is called first step, observation, okay. This is called first step, observation. So the first question is that, what are they? This is a first question that you need to create in your mind, and you need to give answer, what are they. Second question is that, where are they? What are they? Where are they? And third question is that, who are they? What are they? Where are they? Who are they? And fourth question is that, what are they doing in this picture? And the fifth question is that, what did happen after this picture? So use 5 question, okay. If you want to create any story by seeing a single picture, so you need to follow 4 question. Now this is the time of giving an answer, or once you give an answer, then you can easily make a video, any story, okay. So the answer is that, where are they? So I think this is a picture of a jungle forest. So where are they? So they are in the forest. This is the answer. Who are they? I think there is there are two trees. Okay, first is banyan tree and second is mango tree. Who are they? And under the tree there are some animals, wild animals like tigers and lions. Okay, who are they? So this is the answer. Now next question is that what are they doing? Okay, in this picture, so the wild animal are sleeping, yeah, are resting under the tree. Okay, and then two trees like banyan tree or mango tree, they, I think they are best friend. Okay, next question is that what is happening? So this I think this is a whole scenario. You can easily make a story. Now this is, now I'm going to give you another picture. So this is the second picture. You can see this picture very carefully. Now the same question you have to create. What are they? Who are they? Where are they? What are they doing this in this picture? Okay, so the answer is that who are they? So there is a mango tree, and under the mango tree there are some wild animal. I think a wild animal um, thinking of fear, and the mango tree shook its branches. Okay, now what are they doing? What are they doing? So the answer is I have tell you, the mango tree shook its branches, shake its branches. And I think the wild animal not feel comfortable under the mango tree. Wild animal are not feeling comfortable under the mango tree. By seeing this picture, it seems okay. So okay, after giving answer, now I am going to create a story. So after observing and after create some question and giving an answer, now the second step is that create a story in your native language. Okay, so I'm going to create a story in my native language. So my native language is Hindi. So I think in a forest, okay, जंगल में मुझे लगता है कि दो मित्र थे, एक था बैनियन ट्री और एक मैंगो ट्री, और शायद ये दोनों आपस में पास पास रहते थे, तो आपस में बात करते थे। जनरली उनके नीचे कुछ वाइल्ड एनिमल आकर रुकते थे, आराम करते थे नाइट के टाइम। ओके, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इस पिक्चर को देखने के बाद मैंगो ट्री को अच्छा नहीं लगता कि वाइल्ड एनिमल उसके नीचे आके आराम करें। सो उसने कुछ ऐसा तरीका निकाला कि उसने अपनी ब्रांच को हिलाया, तो जो वाइल्ड एनिमल हैं वो डर गए। So this is the whole story. Okay, so now the next step is that create a story in English. Okay, first step is that observation and create some question, and you need to give answer in English. Okay, second step is that create a story in your native language, and third step is that create a story in English. Okay, so there were two friends in a forest, a mango tree and a banyan tree. Okay, and I think they were talked to each other and enjoyed all day long. Okay, in night time all the wild animals were sleeping under the banyan tree and mango tree, but the mango tree did not like the noise, animals noise, because they roar loudly and smell bad. So the mango tree said to the banyan tree, I will drive away them. मैं इनको बाहर निकाल दूंगा. Okay, I will drive away them because they roar loudly and smell bad. But the banyan tree said that don't do that. Don't do that. Don't be too rude. Okay, because we need each other. All the animals and tree, we need each other. But the mango tree don't want to listen any advice, because he was rigid in his decision. So next night when the animals were sleeping under the tree, so the mango tree shook its branches and made noises. So the animal thought that it was a demon. So they run away. And the mango tree laughed and felt happy. So this is a story. Okay. Now after that, what you need to do? You need to just create some question in your mind after creating a story. Now this is whole all the process will help you to improve your fluency, will help you how to think in English. So use all the process by using this method, picture visualization. So the next step is that create some WH question, not a single helping verb starting question. You need to create some WH question related to this story. Okay. So the first question is that what what were the banyan tree and mango tree do all day long? So the second question is that where where did wild animal sleep every night? Third question is that who who did not want to who did not want to stay wild animal under the tree? Okay. And fourth question is that who did the shake its branches? Okay. And fourth question is that who thought that there was a demon? Okay. So after using this process, believe me friend, your your problem that ma'am, how to start thinking English, how to create some question in English, how to do some conversation in English will be removing while using these methods. So friends, use this method. This is a wonderful method, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.